Hi, welcome to 10.1 Notes with graphing quadratics to solve. So our quadratics, this is our start of our quadratics unit, and the roots of the quadratics, we are going to call, there are different names for them, and those names are x-intercepts. You probably have heard of them before. It's where the graph crosses through the x-axis. These also can be called solutions, and they also can be called zeros. It's where the y value is 0. That's why we call them zeros. Solutions, because this makes the equation true. And x-intercepts, because that's just where it's found. It's where the y value is 0. So the y equals 0. Solutions, this is what makes the equation true. Left side equals right side. All right, so if we're looking at a quadratic, first quadratics are always U-shaped of some sort. They can be upside down, but that's still U-shaped. It's just an upside down U. To get two solutions, you can have any U that is going through the x-axis twice. So that'd be two solutions. Well, how can I move that U to be one solution? Well, you could do something like this, where it only hits just the one time, so it's and we call that point the vertex, which is the minimum or maximum point. These graphs, they don't have to be, again, they can be like this, upside down U, so you have two solutions, or it can, the vertex, the maximum or minimum point could hit once, and that'd be a one solution. No solution would look something like this, where you know it's not going to go through the x-axis, or something like this. You know at no point is that going to go through the x-axis, so that'd be a no solution. All right, let's take a look at number 1 here. So what we're doing is we are finding the vertex, and we're going to do this through Desmos. So I'm going to take this equation, this function, y equals x squared plus 4x minus 5, and I'm going to put it into Desmos. So here it is in Desmos. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the table. We're going to use the table. So we're going to go to the little wheel up here, the little cog, and then I'm going to hit the tables. And now I get coordinates. If you notice these points, all these points are on the right side of the graph. I also, to draw a really nice quadratic, I want coordinates on the left side of the graph too. So if I look at my numbers here, I have the x value of 2, x value of 2, x value of 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. What's going to be my next number, what I use? I'm going to go up to the table, and I'm going to type in negative 3. So negative 3, 8. And then I'll go negative 4, because those are numbers that are to the left. I want at least two coordinates to the left of it's called the vertex. The vertex is the bottom of this graph now. I want at least two coordinates to the left and two coordinates to the right. That's going to help me draw a really nice quadratic. So we got to remember these coordinates. So we have, I don't want to draw with a highlighter, negative 4, 5. We have negative 3, 8, negative 2, 9. That's the vertex is negative 2, negative 9, negative 8 also. Negative 1, negative 8, and 0, 5. So these are negatives. Negative 1 and negative 8, and 0 and negative 5. Well, at least two coordinates on the left side and two coordinates on the right. So let's graph these points. So negative 4, negative 5. So I went left 4 and then down 5. I'm going to go left 3 and then down 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go left 2 and down 9. I'm going to go left 1 and down 8. I'm going to go left none, and I'm going to go down 5. Like I said, you can have more coordinates than this, but this is the minimum I would like you to have. 2 on the right side of the U, the quadratic. The parabola was another name for it, and 2 on the left. To find the actual solutions, let's go back to the Desmos. To find the solutions, we're looking where does it cross the x-axis. So let me unhighlight everything here. Those are our 2 solutions, so -5, 0, and 1, 0. So if I ask for solutions or zeros or x-intercepts, it's -5, 0, or positive 1, 0. Make sure those numbers are right. -5 and 1, yes. Those are going to be your solutions. So if I ever ask for solutions, it's -5 and -1. Let's do another problem. X squared minus 2x plus 1. So y equals x squared. Oh, now I forgot it already. Minus 2x plus 1. I'm going to go to the little wheel up there, a little cog. I'm going to hit the table button, and I'm going to look at my graph. I see 1, 2 points to the left. I see the vertex at 1, 0, but I do not see 2 points to the right. So I'm going to go with the x value of 1, x value of 2. My next x value is going to be 3. So I'm going to type a 3 in, so 3, 9. So now I'm going to have -4, 1, 0, 1. So -4, 1, 0, 1. Wait, -4, 1, was that it? No, -1, 4. My goodness. -1, 4, 0, 1. I'm probably wrong on that one. Nope, got it right. 1, 0. 1, 0. I believe it was 2, 1. Let's go back to that and make sure. 2, 1, and 3, 4. Those are all the points I needed. I just needed 5. And so let's graph these. So it's left 1, up 4. Left none, up 1. Right 1, 0. Up and down. 2 to the right, up 1. 3 to the right, up 4. Which one is my solution, my 0, my x-intercept? Hopefully, you are saying the 1, 0. This is your solution, your x-intercept. This is also known as a 0, x-intercept, and it's also known as a root. So you can see all of that. So that is your solution there. -5 and 1 was also a solution there. All right, continue with this. Try to always get 2 points on the left, 2 points on the right, and then I would like you to also state your solutions. All right, thanks for watching.